Hello guys, it's me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. Welcome aboard to my channel. Ayan. Now, or today, this morning, I will show you what is the typisch German Frühstück or the German breakfast. It's heavy. Yeah, the German breakfast is very heavy, but guys, you will enjoy it, the German breakfast, okay? You will love it for sure. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Ayan mga kalindog, pakita ko sa inyo or I'm gonna show you all the German Frühstück or German breakfast and what is the typisch or the normal breakfast for the German, okay? So, kunin na natin sila and let us start! so much. Ayan, I hope you guys, did you enjoy my breakfast or the German Frühstück? Well, that German Frühstück is really heavy, but you will love it, I told you, and you will enjoy it, okay? And thank you and hi all to my members. I don't want to make, I don't want to tell one by one because I don't want to forget no one else. But hello all members. Ayan. So guys and Kailin Dog, I hope did you enjoy my German Frühstück. Okay, bye. Ayan, I show you only the German, the normal, our breakfast here, or our Frühstück. Bye.